Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you why are your earbuds so quiet. So at first, in the very beginning, try to charge them up to 100%. You need to try to charge them both earbuds, not only one earbud or not only the case, both earbuds up to 100%, and then check if they are still that quiet. The quiet status may be because of the low battery level, and it can be easily fixed with charging your earbuds. So if it was fixed now, that's nice, but if it wasn't, if it isn't actually, we'll need to go even deeper. So check the player, try to switch the player. Like if you were playing your music on Spotify, try using YouTube, try using Spotify, try using Tidal, try using Apple Music or some other SoundCloud companies. Sometimes it may be some app issue, developer issue, and this issue probably will be fixed in a couple of updates, bug fixes, patches, so-called patches. So don't worry if it's a player issue. It's probably reported now and it's probably being fixed. So if it's still not the issue, if it's still not dead, you need to perform a factory reset. If you don't know how to perform a factory reset, you need to go to our channel because we've got a video about the factory reset on these earbuds. But that's it for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye. If you didn't fix your issue at all, you need to contact the device support because it may be just broken. Goodbye.